Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to connect your Square appointments to Facebook. So this is a great way to make it easier for customers to book appointments directly through your Facebook page. So here first, open your web browser and log into your Square dashboard. And from your Square dashboard, you just need to go here on this part and then here tap on that one and then look for the appointment section. If you haven't set up Square appointments yet, you can follow the prompts to set it up for your business. And here, look for the booking button section and click set up Facebook. Square will generate a unique booking link that you can use to integrate with your Square appointments with your Facebook page. You will need to be prompted to log into your Facebook account and make sure to log in within account that manages your business page here. And once you are logged in, Square will guide you to your Facebook business page. Here you will be able to book and add a book now button that links directly to your Square appointments booking. So simply click add button, select the book now option and paste the link from Square. And after adding the button, you can customize it if necessary to ensure it matches your branding. You can also add more information such as your availability or the service you offer. And that's it guys, now your Square appointment system is connected to your Facebook page, making it easier for clients to book directly through Facebook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and see you in my next video. Bye!